morning. I'm just back from the school run. And we so have to clean up and tidy up the store that I still have my jacket on. So follow me around today and we'll clean together, let this play in the background and get lots of motivation and inspiration to clean, tidy up and get your place in order. There's lots of spiritual reasons why you have to clean. There's lots of it's meant to be good luck, it's good for manifesting and law of attraction. Then there's the concept of Feng Shui, which is your environment affects your mindset, your environment how things flow in your home affects the vibe of your home, affects so much, your mood, your attitude, and when good things come into your life, it's cause there's flow of energy. If you are into all that, besides all that, it just gives you clarity and peace of mind, and it makes you feel very productive, and who doesn't want all that? So no matter what you believe or to what extent you like all that, the spiritual side of things, it's once you clean up and tidy, I have to psych myself up to tidy, but what I actually need to do is reorganize, declutter, and then actually physically clean up as well. Now, disclaimer, I do get a cleaner in every kind of 2 weeks. You just need to, with kids in the house, I feel accept the help. It's feminine energy to accept help, which I have to keep telling myself. I'm always so stubborn and I can do it all myself. I know I can do it, but no, you take that time, redirect that time. It's delegation. That time should be self-care and rest for you. So, come along with us while we clean up and tidy up this mess. Kara's going to help us out as well. Yeah? You tell them. You're going to tidy up? Yeah. Tidy. Got to clean it up. Now get your little baby mop. A baby mop or something. So yeah, got to tackle the laundry and the dishes. Well, it's not too bad. Dishwasher and stuff as well. So let's go.
So all my best plans for starting that clean that morning turned into a nighttime clean. So come with me with the evening clean and let's keep going. What do you guys do to get motivated and to even just get started on a big clean? I'd appreciate any kind of help or hacks. I really struggle sometimes even just starting. So let me know down below in the comments. Join our community, let other women know. And like I always say on this channel, Hippie and Heels is all about sharing that feminine wisdom, sisterhood. So let's help each other. I got these stick-on wardrobe lights. They've been really helpful. More lighting, the better, is what I'm finding personally. Really, really helps. Do you guys get that kind of regret as well? Once you start a project, then you're like, oh, why did I take this all on today? Oh my god, too much. But then you're just happy to have actually started. That's the biggest momentum you get then from it. I got these hooks that stick to the wall. I love having everything out, and that's my kind of cleaning style. If you look up a YouTube channel called Clutter, it tells you all about the different styles, how people store things, and I'm a really visual one. I need to see it out and it needs to be quick and handy, so I got lots of these hooks. So I encourage you to check out and find a system that works for you, because sometimes it's not that you have bad cleaning habits, it's just your systems aren't working for you. Detach the emotion from it. It's just stuff. Your system could be broken, so it could just not be matching up with your style, your natural style of how you. Some people love categories and detail and organizing things in finer details, where I'm real like hang it up and go, let's go. quick. Visual, have to see it or else forget it's there. So try that hack. It's just been life-changing to figure those out. Setup for the cot. So it's like a cot and a changing table. So I got this plastic it's brilliant. It's like a shelf, like an extra little shelf, a little drawer. Imagine putting that on like a bunk bed or side of a bed as well. It's so hard to stay motivated and not get overwhelmed when you're like decluttering and cleaning. So this video as well is to remind me of the same. So just get the music on, get started, do it in chunks if you have to, in short bursts, or just keep at it. Something you need to do ongoing, but it'll all compound and eventually you'll find your systems and it'll just be a lot easier to clean, especially if you have less stuff. So hopefully all this was motivating, and get some good music playing and keep going. Just to remind myself as well, less clothes. Every time I buy something I need to put something else away or in charity, or it's just too much, all this fast fashion. So be more sustainable with your clothes purchases. So until next time, ladies, thank you so much for joining me for this little spring clean, and I hope you found this motivating, and until next time.